Hey guys, super quick, make sure you subscribe and turn on those notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos. Hello everybody, welcome back to the St. Louis Car Museum. I'm Ian, and today we're featuring a 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe. This Camaro is finished in black over red vinyl. It's loaded with all the options, including first year stripe deletion, and it has a 350 cubic inch V8 engine. The Camaro has been an instant success since its inception in 1967. It was originally built to compete with the popular Ford Mustang. Once Chevrolet began to identify the performance packages, the Trans Am-inspired Z28 option was appealing to those who preferred power over comfort. Early on, the Z28 was not allowed to be mated to anything other than a 4-speed transmission, and features like air conditioning were not allowed to be attached to the order form. It was a raw option and definitely not for everyone. As time went on, the Z28 package was freed to allow an automatic transmission by 1970, and air conditioning hit the option checklist by 1974. Sadly, the Z28 departed the Chevrolet lineup in 1975, and it wasn't until 1977 that the Z28 would return as its own model instead of an option. These late 70s Camaro had become rather sculpted in appearance, with the 350 cubic inch V8 being the highest output offering in the Camaro lineup. In 1978, the urethane bumpers rounded the exterior body presentation nicely, and a non-functional hood scoop gave the car a sporty presence. Although you were forced to accept the elaborate exterior Z28 body decal sticker kit, hence, in 1979, customers who wanted the top-of-the-line model could ask the D88 Z28 Stripe to be deleted to give the car a cleaner overall presentation. The original owner of the Camaro offered here jumped at the chance to custom order his Camaro in 1979, exactly as you see it in these images. Without any Z28 stickers hindering the lines, he kept it in his careful possession for the next 27 years. Hey guys, super quick, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you like rare cars, you're gonna love the rest of our social medias too. So give those a follow, and I'll see you next time.